if you want to re-roll your account in Pokemon TCG Pocket, here's a step-by-step guide on how to do it. First of all, you need to basically open up the TCG, right? And basically you need to click the three bars at the bottom, right? And then go ahead and click other right here. And basically what we're gonna do, we're gonna click on account and make sure that you link one of the accounts to your Google, Apple Store, whatever account that you use, Apple or Google or Nintendo, just link your account. Alright, next what you're gonna do, go ahead and select the delete your save data, right? And basically in order for this to work out, if you delete your save data, you will lose all your data, right? And you're gonna be able to basically fix that issue, right? And basically go back and cancel after you deleted the save data. And basically what you're gonna do, they're gonna redirect you to create a new data, right? If you went right here, sorry, to terms of use and the beginning, they will basically, like you're creating a new account, you're gonna be able to create a new save data, right? And you're gonna link your account, of course, and basically you're gonna be able to fix that problem. All right, so let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching.